Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to pay with coins in the Aliexpress app. It's super easy once you know where to look, so let's jump right in. First, open the Aliexpress mobile app and make sure you've got the latest version installed. Sometimes older ones don't show the coin options properly. Now, tap on your account icon down at the bottom right. You'll see a few options there, and one of them says coins. Go ahead and tap that. This page shows how many coins you've earned and which items you can actually spend them on. Not every product accepts coins, only some do, so you'll want to browse through the coin deals section. Once you find something you like, tap buy now. If there are size or color options, just pick what you want and hit continue. Now scroll down a bit until you see the section that says saved or coins. Tap it to open up your coin options. You'll see how many coins you can apply for that item. You can use part of your coins, or if you'd rather save them, just tap the option that says don't use any coins this time. AliExpress automatically applies them for eligible items anyway. Once you're done, just hit place order. You'll notice your coin discount applied right before payment. And that's pretty much it. You've just paid with coins on AliExpress. Remember, you can only use a portion of your total coins per order, not all at once. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial.